It's Tumbleweeda, and I'm sitting beneath a deodar cedar. That's one there too. There's Atlas cedar here, and there used to be cedar of Lebanon here. All three look similar, but there are differences. It's nice to sit on a bed of pine needles. They're not pinchy. Anyway, it's interesting talking to people about the cardinals, because when I mentioned the cardinals to somebody, the dentist, the dental hygienist today actually, taking care of your teeth. We need them for life, don't we? She said, I was talking about how they're territorial and they're always looking around. She's like, oh, they're a lot like us. And my thought when I digested that is, no, we are like them. And the reason behind we are like them is because we have a consciousness and a conscience where they do not, and we can always do better. So they have qualities that are within us. They don't have qualities of us in them. Was that confusing? Trying to get a concept in an Instagram minute, which is then a New York, which is different than a New York minute.